Hey, so if you want to create quick animations or short demos, yeah, recording a GIF with ShareX is one of the easiest ways to do it. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to record GIFs using ShareX. First, open ShareX on your computer. Once it's running, you'll see all the capture options. Next, click on Capture and choose Screen Recording GIF. This option lets you record short animations. If it's your first time, yeah, ShareX may ask you to install FFmpeg. Just follow the prompt to set it up. Now, select the area you want to record. Click and drag to capture a specific part of your screen. Once selected, recording will start automatically. Perform the actions you want to capture in the GIF. To stop recording, use the stop hotkey or taskbar icon. ShareX will process the GIF instantly. After recording, you can preview your GIF and make quick edits if needed. And finally, save your GIF or upload it automatically to get a shareable link. So yeah, that's how to record GIFs using ShareX. It's perfect for quick tutorials, bug reports, or social content. If this helped, subscribe for more simple tech guides.